Firefox just introduced vertical tabs, a feature that browsers like Zen, Edge, and Arc have had for a while. If you've ever struggled with tab overload, this update might be exactly what you need. Instead of cramming all your tabs into a single row, you can now stack them neatly on the side, giving you more space, better organization, and easier way to navigate. In this video, I will show you how to enable vertical tabs in Firefox and compare them to Zen Browser's implementation to see which one does it better. But before we dive in, you might have noticed the clean aesthetic wallpapers in the background. If you like them, they are part of my Breeze wallpaper pack, a collection of minimalist high-quality wallpapers designed to make your desktop look amazing. If you want to upgrade your setup, check it out in the link below. Now let's get into Firefox 136. So these are the vertical tabs available right now in the Firefox 136. As you can see, they are quite rough. You can see here the window which I have open, and the edge of the window is actually not rounded. Now you can also see that you can also resize the tabs, and you can even make it larger than the window itself, and you can even resize them like so they are small like we have seen in the Zen browser. Now let me show you how you can quickly enable the vertical tabs in Firefox, and it's quite easy. Now here I have them already enabled. First of all, go to Firefox here on About section and make sure that you have the Firefox version 136. If you don't, you will simply here check for the updates and then restart the Firefox browser. Now once you have this version exactly installed, you can right click here on the sidebar and click here to turn on vertical tabs. Right now I have it already enabled. However, if you have horizontal tabs like I have here, you can simply right click on the toolbar and then click on turn on vertical tabs. Now down below here you will also find a feature called customize sidebar. You can click on it, and then here you will find an option for vertical tabs. Now you can disable this and you will revert back to the horizontal type of the tabs, and if you enable this you will go back to the vertical tabs. Now you can also completely hide the tabs and the sidebars, so just like this. But while testing this, I couldn't find a way to bring back the sidebar here, which is already available in the Zen browser as well as the Arc. So here I will turn this off, and now we have the sidebar here on the left. Now we can also move the sidebar to the right if you prefer that way, but I think that the majority of people will use the tabs here on the left. Now we can also use a few of the Firefox's tools like the AI chatbot, tabs from other devices, history, and bookmarks. So you can pretty much put them all here. Now if you go here to the settings of the Firefox, you can also go here down below and click here on browser layout. Now here you can turn it on, and now you can see here that you have this new bar here on the left instead of the vertical tabs, and then here you have this chatbot. You also have the tabs from other devices, history, as well as the bookmarks. Now if you click on this button right here on top, this will hide this window, and you have this simple button to show this option back. So yeah, these are pretty much the vertical tabs right now available in the Firefox. As I said, I couldn't find a way to hide them completely. Now in the Zen browser you can completely hide them and bring them back. So here I have them enabled, and if I click Ctrl and S, you can simply see that they aren't here anymore. And if you go with your mouse over the edge here on the left side, it will bring up the tabs back again. So I hope this feature could be implemented in the Firefox in the next upcoming releases. And yeah, this is how it actually compares to the Zen browser. But overall, in the UI department, I think that Zen is actually in the lead compared to the Firefox, because Zen has this really nice rounded corners, as you can see here on the website. And if I go here to the Firefox, you can see here that the actual website corners are straight, not rounded like in the Arc browser as well as in the Zen browser. So this is pretty much the UI side of the Firefox as well as the Zen browser comparison. And now Firefox, as of this update, also has some new privacy options. So here you have enhanced tracking protection, which is currently set to standard. However, you can also put this to strict, or you can also go here to custom and enable all of the options you want right here. So this is another additional welcome feature here in the Firefox 136. And with that said, I think I pretty much covered every single new feature here in the Firefox 136. Please let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this brand new update of Firefox 136, and if you think you should use Firefox or Zen browser in the comment section down below. With that said, if you guys of course need need a brand new wallpaper, I've made a brand new wallpaper pack called Breeze Wallpapers, and you guys can check them out by clicking the link in the video description below to upgrade your setup. And of course, if you guys haven't already, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel is highly appreciated. With that said, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you all around in the next video. Peace.